So I'm going to show you how to enter and also how to exit safe mode on your Galaxy Z TriFold. So this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the power menu. The easiest way is to swipe down and tap on the power button. And from the power menu, instead of tapping on power off, you want to touch and hold that icon, and then you'll see safe mode, and you can tap on that, and that's going to reboot your phone into safe mode. With the phone in safe mode, you can actually get into the most critical sections. It's gonna disable most of your installed applications, so you can try and troubleshoot. Now you can tell it's in safe mode because it's gonna have this safe mode badge in the bottom left corner. And to get out of safe mode, simply go to the power menu again and tap on restart. That should restart back into normal mode. Thanks for watching and good luck.